XRP Future Millionaire, and I'm on my phone. This is a quick update. This is a short. We might have a possible trading opportunity here as we've had a bullish divergence in the 30-minute time frame across the board. Bitcoin just came through and completed a bullish divergence in the 30-minute. So that's technically a bullish symbol. It created off that cup and handle. So we could have a move up here to that 40,000 neckline that we've been talking about. This is where that move could happen on that bullish divergence. So, again, if you're listening, a bullish divergence in the 30-minute. XRP has not made it, which leads me to believe XRP is about to have a move imminently to probably 65 cents. So, this would be, if you're watching Bitcoin, and as long as this holds, Bitcoin came through its bullish divergence here in the 30-minute time frame. So, that's something we have to watch. So, that leads me to believe XRP is going to have to come up to about 65,445 and complete its divergence and pull itself through the moving averages and then figure out from there. But that's a hefty almost 10% right to there. So if I'm considering getting into a trade and buying like 10,000 XRP, because when you make a bullish divergence like this, that's a great sign. You've seen like Ethereum came up and went through its bullish divergence, and XRP is always the last one to move. So this is a good spot if you think it's going to go up, or you go with XLM. But XLM, as you can see, is already starting to come through its bullish divergence. It's just come through its first moving average, but it's going to continue on and upward. So XRP is lagging behind. So this is an imminent warning that if you want to take a gamble, you could buy XRP. It's right here. It's right at the support. It's holding it. That's why I came on right now. And if you want to ride this up, because I'm more than likely going to at this point, with what it's showing, it could be a fake out, but I'm going to have a very tight stop loss. And I'm going to use like that 60 cent, 59.5 cent. If I do end up getting in, have a very tight stop loss because this should go up in the very short term. I think we're looking good. Bitcoin's going to have to bounce around in this level, but it looks pretty fucking good here. The volume's coming in. Like I said, we had a bullish divergence in the 30-minute. And I think we're, destined to come up to about 40K. I think when it comes, well, we've been talking about this, but we also been talking about if it breaks down past a certain level, but we had this and we bounced off of it. I could totally see it coming up to the neckline up here. That's what I'm anticipating. And for that fact and that fact alone, the XRP Future Millionaire is going to have to get in his XRP. And probably split it with XLM. It all depends. I'm going to look at the breakdown, see what I feel more comfortable in. But this is going to have to be something you have to do pretty imminently. But you're going to have to be careful because the market is unstable. But I really think Bitcoin's looking to retest that 40K line. Makes perfect sense. We've already hindered a few times down at that 58 cent with XRP. Last night we tried again. We couldn't get past it. We have another reversal on the bottom. But this time, in the 30-minute, you can see volume came in. So now I'm not as opposed to buying it, and I want to buy before it does this bullish divergence. So XRP Future Millionaire, make sure to hit that like button. And if you buy in, have the stop loss set accordingly. I would have a 60 cent or a 58 cent stop loss because you don't want to fall through there and then get caught. But I would just say sub 60 cents, sell if you're that uncomfortable. Stay blessed.